Mom, a new boy came to my class. Some kids laughed at him because his clothes looked old.
In my class, a new kid came too. She talks a little slow, but she is very kind. She shared blocks with me.
See, we should not judge people by looks. The heart is more important.
Really? Is there a story about that?
Yes, there is an old Korean folktale called the Snake Groom. Do you want to hear it?
Yes.
Long ago, there was a poor farmer and his wife. They had 3 daughters. One day, a huge snake appeared at their house.
Give me your youngest daughter, and I will make you rich.
What? A snake asked for the daughter?
Yes. The parents were afraid. They loved their daughter, but they were also very poor. The parents cried. But the youngest daughter was kind and brave.
I will go. If it helps our family, I will marry the snake.
On the wedding day, the village people whispered in shock.
How can a girl marry a snake? Poor child.
That night, something amazing happened. The snake took off his skin and changed into a handsome young man.
Do not fear. I am a man under a spell. You are my true wife, and now we can live happily.
Wow. So the snake was really a man.
Yes, he was kind and gentle, just like the daughter. The daughter was happy. But one day, her sisters visited. They found the snake's skin and burned it in the fire.
Oh no, without the skin, I cannot stay. Now I must leave. You will not see me until you come to the Sky Palace.
And he disappeared.
That's so sad.
The wife cried, but she did not give up. She walked through mountains and rivers to find her husband. On the way, she helped many people, children, old men, and the sick. Her kindness touched everyone. Finally, she reached the Sky Palace. The gods saw her love and courage. They allowed her to meet her husband again. At that moment, the spell was broken.
My wife, because of your true heart, we can live together again.
And they lived happily ever after in the Sky Palace. So, what do we learn from this story?
Do not laugh at people's looks.
Yes, the heart is more important than the outside.
Exactly. That is the wisdom of the Snake Groom.
Wow. That was a good story.
Thank you for reading with me. This is Tale by Tale. See you next time.